Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Today, this is Melissa and Eva's video, and Hunter's. We're going to talk about the swimming pool and something that you just got that's really going to make it even more fun than what it is. All right, so what this is, it's an iGarden SwimJet X Series, model X35-P60. Has 1,100 gallons per minute flow rate. Max flow speed, 11.5 feet per second. Setup is super easy. You just roll it like a suitcase, put it down in the water, plug it right into the high energy density battery pack, and it's all good to go. I think this has a few advantages over an endless pool style system or a swim spa. Like I said, there's no permanent installation. It's portable, easy to move and store, and it's a one-time unit purchase. But I'm telling you, this thing moves some water. There are 6 different adjustable flow rates, 6 gears basically, up to 10 hours of runtime. You can control it with your app. It's legit.
Yeah, if you want the experience of going to the ocean, but you can't go to the ocean because of your schedule, time, but you have a pool, here you go. Put this baby in your pool, turn it on full blast, and you'll feel like you're getting hit by a wave.
I don't think you need the full blast unless you were like doing some intense training.
Definitely someone that's training, get that. And water aerobics, I've been researching water aerobics. I seriously get the inner tube over me and go back and forth, kicking, and then the opposite. I put it onto my legs and I do my arms. Well, now that I have this and turn it at a smaller,
a little lower setting,
speed, you can do both of that. So put the inner tube at your legs and do your arms, and then the opposite. Put it around your shoulders and then kick, 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 kick. I'm also teaching the grandkids swim lessons, so that, you know, this is my first time.
Did you used to go to the pool when you were a kid, Melissa?
Oh, yeah. You know, that was back in the days where your parents wanted you to get out of the house. Go. See you later. Yeah. I have friends that are like, you didn't come home till the street lights came on. We didn't have street lights. We lived in the country. And
you went to the community pool, though. What was it, about a mile from your place?
Oh, it was probably 3.
Everything was further distances then. It's probably just down the street.
It was like...
And it was all uphill both ways.
Pretty much. But it was great, yeah. And then you got home, and your parents were like, oh, yeah. Like they forgot about you.
So in the next couple of days, we're gonna get some. We're gonna get the grandkids in here and see how they like.
They're gonna love this.
Yeah.
Get their boogie boards in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's fun.
That thing moves some water, doesn't it?
It does. It's nice. It's good for a good workout, but I'm excited for the lower settings. We had it pretty high in there, but lower settings with the pool float, and it would be perfect.
Yeah, the higher settings just kind of throws you across the pool into the other side.
It was fun, though. The kids will love that.
Oh,
yeah. That's good.
Creates some good waves throughout the whole pool, too.
Yeah, it's like going to
as the water moves throughout.
Oh, it's like going to a wave pool without all the public people.
Without going to a wave pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we just shut the pool down. Well, we're going to here. There's storms in the area, but we will report back on this once the grandkids are here and see how they like it.
Sounds good.
All right, now comes the real test. We've got 2 of our grandchildren here, Ty and Thea. Right now, we have the SwimJet on the lowest setting. And you'll see here in a minute, that pretty much keeps them in place. You know, they're decent swimmers. They're getting better every day. But the lowest setting seems like the right setting. You know, they're about, 10 feet from it, and they can kind of play around, swim in place. It keeps them right there in that spot. Now, you can use these in an above-ground pool, in-ground pool. You know, you can even pack it up and take it to a friend's house if they're having a pool party or whatever. It's really easy to move around and load up. But look at that. They're staying right in place on the lowest setting. Then Ty and Thea quickly discovered a new game on their own here. They had their dad turn it up a little bit. They swim out in front of it, shoots them down the pool a little bit, swim down the other side, and repeat. If you're a grandparent and have a swimming pool and you want to wear out your grandkids, this is the ticket right here. They had a blast. They were in here for a couple hours. And I don't know if I mentioned, they say it has a 10-hour runtime. It's incredible. I don't even know how it does it. The battery pack's really not that big, but it moves the water. They had a blast in here. They were in there for a couple hours. And then the next day when they came up, the first thing they asked for was us to put the swim jet back in the pool. They were ready to do it again.
Go out there.
As far as safety goes, this uses a micro electromechanical system technology to create microscopic, highly reliable safety and arming mechanisms. So what that does, if it detects like abnormal movement, it triggers instantly auto cutoff, instant safety response with automatic shutdown. I'll tell you, the swimming pool was one of the best things that we ever did. And I'll be honest, it was 100% Melissa's idea. It really was. We're fortunate that all of our kids and grandkids all live nearby. They're over here all the time, and this is just a great activity for them. And the iGarden Swim Jet, that's just the icing on the cake. And like I said, if you're a grandparent and you want to wear out your grandkids, this is the ticket right here. What we like to do, they come over and they swim for a while, cook some burgers on the Blackstone. They'll hang out for a bit, right back in the pool. We have a heated pool, so that gets us here in Western Pennsylvania another month, to start the season and another month at the end of the season. But anyway, this iGarden Swim Jet, we love it so far. It's just an added bonus to the swimming pool. If you're interested in one, they have a Prime Day offer coming right up. You can save up to $800 off. I'll put all the details in the description, and it may be something you want to look into. But I think that's about it for today's video. Appreciate you guys watching, and we will catch you on the next one.